Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta Lapkowska here. Welcome my friends in another episode of unboxing video. I do know that you like those videos actually, and to be honest, I forgot to cancel this particular subscription. I know what you're gonna say, but at least we have a chance to try it again, because to be honest, the previous month, I didn't really enjoy the box that much. It's the Smart Art box, so I really hope that this month will be different. Maybe I'm gonna be surprised. So give it a second chance, why not? Let's hope that this box will be fun and inspirational. I really truly believe that, and because there's tons of people that do like those boxes, so I'm not losing hope on this one. Stay with me and let's see what's inside. Maybe we'll be able to make some art project with it as well afterwards. So without any further ado, let's open it together. So here it is. I have my knife ready, of course, to check it out what's in here, and also here I'm gonna put it aside. I'm really so curious. Okay, as last time, there is this place for your art that you can post, weekly challenge. I haven't done it last time, as you can imagine. I really didn't have time, and I have a little surprise guest coming.
Hello everyone.
Hello Emily, would you like to see what's inside the box?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Have you
me
seen
too.
it already?
No, not at all. Let me just put this properly so we can have it all very good view for everyone. Okay, dum-da-dum. It's orangey for Halloween, is it? Okay, I already think I do like it actually. Okay, let's begin with a sweet.
I never tried.
I think it's the same as last time.
Yeah, it is, but
green
I
one.
didn't try it.
Okay, well, we have a sweet. What else is there? Smart Art. So we have manga, is it? Weekly challenge. So I think it's a manga this month.
Manga drawing, yes.
Manga drawing. I like that. It's something that I haven't tried, and honestly, I will be trying, I hope. Will I do it today? Possibly. I have a few more boxes to open, but look at that, and I want to do it before Hannah wakes up. And
that's cool.
Yes, I like that. Oh, and they talking about Smart Art bundles. Okay, let's see what else is there.
A rubber.
Faber-Castell rubber. Then we have hand lettering, 25 sheets of 170 grams. I like that. Wow.
Is that paper or is it
It is a
watercolor?
paper. I don't know. It is a paper. Let me just grab something to open it up. Emily's gone to the window because
Our neighbors got a dog.
yes, they did. And what's the type of the dog?
Frenchie. French bulldog.
Can you imagine? Like, oh, with so little jelly.
He's coffee
Coffee
color.
And his name
And
will be
Yoda
from Star Wars, is it?
Yes,
And they
he
have a
was like-
cat already. That his name is
Jabba.
from Star Wars. So so cute.
Because the
this-
son likes
yeah.
Star Wars.
Oh well.
All of them.
Yes. Okay, so this is just a sketch pad, for hand lettering sketch pad, but I believe for manga perfect as well. Emily's doing this. I'm not sure if the camera caught it, because she loves drawing.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, wait. Dum. Wow. Okay, we have quite of a surprise this
Your
month,
favorite
guys. And you know what? I'm really happy that by accident I didn't cancel the box yet. I'm not too sure if I already did or not. Anyway, what do we have? We have Artist Studio coloring pencil. He ran away. Oh well. All the colors, rainbow colors, 24 colors they opened up, but that's okay. Nothing is broken here. And we have the info inside there. Wow. I don't know the brand. Brazilians. These are not watercolor, sorry, just regular coloring pencils, which is fine, I believe, for manga. Oh, the sticker is there. Smart Art sticker, I like that.
So do they send you things to do with their weekly challenge? So you have to use these?
You can, you don't have to. You can, of course, take part in their weekly challenge. So, if you would like, you can. Okay.
Artist pens from Faber-Castell.
These are so gorgeous, and I have another set in different colors actually. I'll show they there, look in front of you. Unique. Look at it. And these are they like wow, skin color. Yeah, I have similar set. Oh, am I off camera? So these are like this, but in the box those came, which are for manga set for skin tones. Wow, I love the idea. So that's manga as well, you see?
Cool.
Wow. Okay guys, I think we can call this successful box already, and we still have few bits and bobs there.
Yeah,
and I already love it. So I'm just trying to open it up and show you the colors. Look, oopsie, look at them. So all the kind of skin tones, I think. I love it. Wow, what a nice surprise, Smart Art, I have to say. Now, having this box, I kind of could receive a box like this every month, every time. And we have for drawing, artist pens, and those are all of it. It's about manga, but you see, yet again, it could be used for manga, it doesn't have to. And yet again, I think if you're into manga, you may love it or you may not like it, depending if you have those things or not. So with the boxes, it's really hard to judge. It depends on your budget as well. If you don't mind spending, getting surprises here and there, that's fine. But you may, you may just be disappointed, or you may be overwhelmed. So overwhelmed with joy, I mean. And those are Faber-Castell Pit. I love them because these are very good quality for drawings. Yes. And this is like eyeliner.
I use those from you. I take them sometimes.
And this is Faber-Castell pencil. I love it. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna just call it. Sorry, I'm just gonna take this box away. Smart Art. Now, will I be attempting manga in this video today? No, I don't think so. But what I'm gonna do is, why don't we try it out, the products anyway. I'm not too sure I'm ready to record manga video. You can, of course, please enjoy it. But we can try I think we can definitely try our products. What do you think, Emmy?
Yes.
How is that? And we have
I would love to try these.
Okay, we have a good selection. We have something to draw, which is pencil, right? Which is there. Oh, lovely. Oh, the paper is very shiny. Is it? So we have a beautiful pencil. Is it
so nice.
07 grip? That's something. Okay, we have rubber to rub it off. Cool. Then we have markers to play color wise and color in. I'm gonna put it here. Beautiful. Are we in the camera? We are.
Oh, it's so nice.
What?
Once you eat
sweet?
the sugar off it,
okay.
then it's
Look
not
at
sour.
those.
Those are very pretty.
Do you love sour stuff to eat? Yeah? You do? Can I try? Oh my.
After a while it gets so sweet though.
Before. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice. You know what? I'm not too sure if I'd be attempting manga or anything.
But you will probably.
But I will use them. Yes, that's exactly it. I love it. I don't own any of that.
So did you think you were getting double of what you had?
I've done in 2 boxes. From 3 boxes I got, I had in 2 boxes I had things already. Some other boxes repeated products, alcohol inks, but different colors, so that's okay. But yes, it was it was just kind of So this is awesome box. I really I honestly appreciate it. I love it. Would you like to try the pencils?
If you have enough pencils, I can take these, no problem.
By the way, we are doing a challenge as well. You have to follow up my YouTube channel and my Facebook. While Emily will be demonstrating maybe the colors, I had a sweet. I'll tell you what we came up with. So, and the noises are from the kitchen where Lucas is doing peeling potatoes, carrots and cucumbers, because we're gonna have
cucumber soup.
Cucumber soup. Would you like to come closer, Amish, because we can't see you. Head up. No, just kidding. So we came up with this idea of mystery box sent by you. But when I was, you have to check my Facebook page, guys, because I think I have to take that sweet off because I cannot talk. If you would be checking my Facebook page, you would see that, are you in the camera? You are, okay. That we had chats about it. And when I asked you on my Facebook page, do you think it would be a nice idea, would be fun to have this challenge? So you send me stuff, you kind of compose the box or like shipment, and I create with what I'm receiving. And many of you have said it's awesome idea, but few people have mentioned that sending box would be too expensive. And I was just suggested by the boxes, mystery boxes that I purchased recently. And I thought, yes, actually, that is true. It's way too expensive to ship the box, so we have to scale it down. And someone else mentioned, why don't you collect few things from few people? And rather than plenty from one person, you could have sent over one product per person. You collect them together in the one box, and then make a project. And I thought,
but then I should open the boxes and put it in a box so you don't see them.
Oh yeah, but then I may open envelope after envelope right away on the video, you know. And because I've asked them to leave comment on the envelope saying Maremi's challenge, they will know I will know myself when their envelopes arrive that not to open it and leave it for the video. So that's the idea. I have already sent, some people have, some of you guys mentioned that you would like to take part, so I gave you the address to ship it, and we're waiting for shipment. So once I receive 6, maybe 10 envelopes of one product in the envelope, because it's cheaper to send envelope all over the place. We have lady from Turkey, we have lady from Canada, we have lady from Mexico, so it'll be really interesting. We have someone from UK, from Ireland, Northern Ireland, I think. So it will be really it will be really interesting to see that. Yeah, because it's gonna be totally random. We can end up with, let's say, literally we could end up with same product from 3 people. You never know, because there is options are open. Whatever you decide, use it, things from your stash. If you would like to purchase something that you may think that would be challenging for me, or you know, it's really completely freedom. Whatever you like to send. And if you would like to take part in that challenge, you could message me on my Facebook page on maremismallart, or you can leave comments here, you can email me, however you wish to get in touch. So for the future challenges, I think it would be fun to run it, basically. And because of that mystery, and also that so many different people from all over the world can take part in it together, it's uniting us artists, I think, crafters. I think it's just amazing. So I'm really looking forward to that video, that challenge and all, and I promise to record you all once the envelopes will be coming. I'll be recording all of that, so I'm super excited, because I think it could be like really crazy fun, like really difficult, challenging as well, what to create with a bunch of random stuff. So that's just so you know just what to expect soon on the channel. Many more other things, because I believe or not, I think at this point I have 15 video pre-recorded. So when you're watching things, bear in mind, guys, that I do record in advance. Once if I have extra few hours, I record it while I can, so I can post it later on. And some videos are coming out even a month later, so just bear that in your mind. Anyway, how is that, Emily? Do you like them?
They're very nice. They're
very nice.
They're very opaque.
Okay, like probably just nice regular pencils, coloring pencils, no? They better?
They're much better.
Is it?
I really like them.
Okay, are you trying to convince me to share them with you?
I'm not convincing you to share them, I'm convincing you to give them.
Oh, I'll think about it. Anyway, I think we will finish at that, guys, because we checked the products. They are really cool. I'm happy with the box. Now the question is, should I keep the subscription open and get next month? It's not the cheapest box. I didn't check the price before starting shooting this video, so please forgive me. You can check it on their website for definite. I don't want to make up any mistakes. But I'm really happy with the box, and that's honest truth. Last month month, I really was feeling kind of disappointed. I felt that was not enough value in the box. Yet again, it's a very personal, yeah, you can open. It's a personal choice, it's a personal feeling. It depends what you have in your stash already, what's your interest. So boxes are fun, but I think once your budget is there, if you have, you know, if you just don't mind this surprise that you may be disappointed, you know, but because most of you, actually plenty of you, have said on the under the video that you prefer to know and choose your supplies, and I completely understand that. But now our challenge, mystery challenge, world crafters world mystery challenge, we have to come up with a name for that challenge, guys. Maybe you can leave some suggestions how to call that challenge. World mystery box challenge, that's too long. I don't know, Crafters World Challenge, Mystery Box World Challenge, something, maybe, am I possibly. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up at that because Hannah is
still sleeping.
Still sleeping means we can record something.
Yes.
So I will open one more box because I have few more things to open, so I may do that.
Last thing, this rubber rubs out very nicely.
Thank you for checking for that, for us.
It, like,
okay.
I made a line through it.
That's super. Thank you very much. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And also expect another video where Emily have chosen
10 art supplies for Mom.
I'll show you actually. No, okay. I'll show you.
It's a surprise.
I'll show you one thing maybe. She chose, for example, this. This is Viva Decor Rusty Paste.
And one more.
One more. She chose this washi tape for me. So there's 10 things she chose, stencil, paper, something else. So this is like a mystery art supplies for me to use as a challenge. So it's gonna be fun. The choice of her things, it's pretty shocking, I think, because she really challenged me, which is great. So looking forward to that. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe, guys, to our YouTube channel, because and Emily has her own YouTube channel, if you didn't know. It's called
Emily's Small World.
I'll leave you the link below, because there will be videos with Hannah as well.
Fun videos with Hannah.
You were testing crayons recently.
Crayons, and we already have finger painting on the channel.
Yes, so check that out, guys. I'll leave you the link, Emily's Small World. And also, it's very important, I keep on saying that to you, that it's super important to click that bell button next to subscribe button. So once you click that, you will never miss any video or any notification. You will get all the notifications about my uploads. Actually, huge amount of you are not subscribed to the channel, which is a pity a little bit, because you are missing out, I'd say. So it would be amazing if you could actually subscribe to the channel, click that bell button, super important. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this was a fun box for you to see a difference between last month and this month. If you wish to check the previous boxes,
it's very interesting.
If you wish to check the previous boxes, please do. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you so much. I was gonna say, what's your favorite?
From the whole box?
Yes.
This. Definitely them.
They're very, like,
I love the color scheme.
And
they are.
Nice colors.
They are. And I will be using for our journaling for definite. It's like autumn. That's why maybe I love it. It's very autumn colors, isn't it? Okay.
And a very pretty grey.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we talk to you very soon. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.